Today in Python programming, we will try to learn about the loop. So today we will learn about for loop. So for loop is nothing but for, this is an index and we give the range. Until then it will loop. This is the starting point and this is the ending point. So it will start the index from 1 and it will end before this, that is up to 10. So here we will write a program to print the multiplication table. So in the previous video we saw to find the divisibility and other things. So using the same logic we can just find it out. So for index in range 1 to 11, that means from 1 to 10 it will take. Then you are running one more for loop where you have for base. Base is another value that is also ranging from 1 to 13, that means up to 12. So this means we are, I'll write it here, iterate from 1 to 10. So here hash is command, this iterates from 1 to 12. So what is going to be our output? Now we are going to print the values. So what will be the output here? If you see, output will be index 1 will be 1. First time this will be 1 and it will come here. It will iterate up to 12 times. So 1 into 1 equal to, it will just multiply and write it. What will be the second one? Like that it will go up to 1 into 12 equal to 12. What will be the second one? Once this will become 0, it will come back here. This now I will be 2. So it will take 2 into 1 equal to 2. Last one will be 2 into 12 equal to 24. Like that it will keep iterating. So this is the table. So here what we have given? We have given a print statement. Print. It will just print the multiplication table for 2, multiplication table for 3. Like that it will keep typing. So this is the very simple program. So we will try to run and see. I will just recap once again. Hash is the command. You have to run for loop. I in range. Starting in range. This is ending range. So this is for loop. And this is one more for loop. So for loop within for loop. So here you are taking the index value and you are multiplying it with the base value. That's all. We'll try to run and see. That's it. We got the table. You can run this with the online debugger also. See, multiplication table for 1. As we saw, see, 1 into 1 up to 1 to 12. The second will be 2 into 1. So like that it will go up to 12. Multiplication table of 10 up to 12. So we can just copy this and we can run it in the online GDB. Sorry, online Python code. And here also you can just run and check. So you got the values. We can just change the range and check. For example, I want to print only up to 5. Then means I should put 6. Sorry. Here it should be 6. Then means, sorry. Then it will not print 6 into 12. It will print up to 6 into 5. We'll check the answer. See, all up to 5 it is printing. So if you want to increase the number of tables, here up to 10 table you are given. If you want to increase the number of table or decrease, I'll just up to 6th table. This will print up to 6th table. See, up to 6th table. Like this you can play around with the range values. So this is nothing but a for loop in Python. Thank you.